Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the Boleta Scalper indicator for MT5. Alright, for more information, you can just check the description below so that you can get the link to this web page. Okay, so this indicator is an advanced, specialized tool that is designed for high frequency trading, specifically aimed at scalpers. And as you can see, the indicator contains some important information, right? As a scalper, you have to be able to make fast decisions, whether you are trailing your stop loss or you are, manually executing your take profit orders or whatever. You have to be able to make fast decisions as a scalper. So you can see that the Boleta Scalper helps, with respect to the stop loss, the take profit, the trail stop, and all of that. Okay. And then, of course, you have to select a good lot size depending on your trading balance. All right. You don't want to over leverage. You don't want to use an amount that is beyond what you can afford to lose. Okay, so it's very important that you manage your risk properly and then take advantage of the information, or rather the tools that the Boleta Scalper presents to you if you are a scalper. All right, if you are a scalper, then you might want to try out this tool. Okay. Meanwhile, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, because there are a lot of other valuable informations here in this channel. All right, whether you are seeking free indicators, strategies, expert advisors to learn about, you can find a whole lot of valuable insights here in this channel. So do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you do not miss out on any valuable content that we share here. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.